You have your own passions, skills, or things you love to do. We believe that every website should have its own personality, just like you. With Simvoly, you can quickly create your own unique website. We've made it simple for you to design and style everything without any trouble. With our drag-and-drop builder, you can move, adjust, and style everything the way you want. Simvoly offers many unique themes to choose from. They're fully customizable to fit any business or idea you may have. The platform was specifically designed to provide unlimited power in your hands in a simpler, more elegant way. With the technology used in Simvoly, we deliver intuitive, unique, and immersive experience. Use the beautiful portfolios and galleries to show your work and passion. You can start a blog or build a website without any technical skills. Sharing your thoughts with the world has never been easier. Everything you build automatically fits to all devices. Your website will look beautiful on desktops, tablets, and phones. Impress your visitors with mobile version and great design. What's your passion? Start your journey with Simvoly.